Want to fix the syncing with iCloud paused alert on your iPhone? First, ensure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or restarting your router if needed. Once you have a reliable connection, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID. If you see a sign-in prompt, enter your Apple ID and password to re-authenticate. Next, tap iCloud and scroll to the Photos or Messages section depending on where you saw the paused alert. Slide the toggle off, wait a few seconds and slide it back on. This forces your phone to resume syncing. While you are in the iCloud settings, review the list of apps and services and enable any that have been turned off, such as iCloud Backup or iCloud Drive, to restore full synchronization. If syncing still does not resume, restart your iPhone by holding the side button and sliding to power off. After it reboots, return to iCloud settings and confirm that everything is turned on. That should clear the paused alert and get your data flowing again. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite iOS troubleshooting tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.